Okay, we got another product from Queen.M here. As you can tell, it comes in their clear plastic zipper bag, as always. This was a product they sent me and asked me to review. Not me personally, but another person who lives in this home. I'll do the unboxing, of course. This is a, as they say here, a Sling open cup crotchless floral lingerie nighty. It is lace and sheer. So, as you can see through easy enough. This part in the back, same thing. And this has a real elasticy quality to it. So this is definitely something that's going to stretch out. Tell the open cup, smaller sized cup, probably to fit a smaller sized woman, which is good because that's what we have here. And then the open crotch part as well across the bottom. Here's the clip, so that way you can clip that bad boy together, and that'll be the look that you've got from the back. Length on this seems really short, so I'm going to measure it up here. The size that we went on this was, oh, this is a one size product. 77% of the people who tried it say that it fits as expected. And from crotch to shoulder, we're looking at 2 feet 24 inches. And then obviously that's going to stretch out quite a bit as needed once it's on. Same thing going around, it's going to stretch out going around as needed. So, we'll try it on, see what we think of it, give a trial or two, and be able to write up a more thorough review down the road, answering any questions and stuff that you have. So, but if you do have any questions, make sure to ask them. I'll get to them as soon as I can. It doesn't look like the shoulder piece is adjustable at all, but of course that doesn't matter as long as it's not too small, because it does have that elastic on it. All right, cool. Well, there we go.